Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please come here.
Of course. Is something wrong?
Yes, look at my soup.
What happened?
There's a fly in my soup.
Oh no, I am very sorry.
This is not okay.
I understand. I will bring you a new soup right away.
Thank you. I don't want to wait too long.
I will hurry, and there will be no charge for this soup.
Good. Please tell the chef to be careful.
Yes, I will. Thank you for telling me.
Thank you for fixing the problem.
You're welcome. Your new soup will be here soon.
Lisa, have you seen my keys?
No, I haven't. Where did you last have them?
I don't remember. Did you check your bag?
Yes, they're not there.
What about your jacket pocket?
Empty.
Maybe the kitchen table?
Only my phone is there.
Did you look in the bathroom?
Good idea. No, not here.
This is strange. We can't leave without them.
Did you check your jeans?
Wait! Yes, they're in my jeans.
Finally.
I was so worried.
Next time, put them in the bowl by the door.
You're right. I'll do that from now on.
Okay, let's go before we're late.
Yes, let's hurry.
Mark, the bus is leaving.
Wait, I'm running.
Hurry up.
Oh no, it's gone. We missed it.
What time is the next one?
In 20 minutes.
That's too long. We'll be late for work.
Can we call a taxi?
It's expensive, but faster.
True. Should we walk instead?
It's too far.
Okay, let's book a taxi.
I'll check the app. Is one nearby?
Yes, 5 minutes away.
Oh, good. We still have a chance.
I hate missing the bus.
Me too. Tomorrow, let's wake up earlier.
Deal.
Mark, the lights went out.
Yeah, the whole house is dark.
Did you pay the bill?
Of course I did.
Then why no power?
Maybe the street lost power too.
Let me check outside. Do you see any lights?
No, all the houses are dark.
So it's the whole neighborhood.
What do we do now?
We can use candles or the flashlight.
Good idea. Where is it?
In the kitchen drawer.
Found it. At least we can see now.
I'll call the power company.
What did they say?
Power will be back in 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yes. Let's just relax and wait.
Okay, maybe we can play cards.
Mark, I think we're lost.
Really? Which street is this?
I don't know. I don't see it on the map.
Did you save the hotel address?
Yes, but my phone has no signal.
Great. Mine is only 5% battery.
Oh no, what do we do?
Let's look for a sign.
Ooh, I see one. Main Street. But our hotel is on King Street.
Then we're far away.
Should we take a taxi?
Yes, but where do we find one?
Maybe near that square. Let's walk there.
Look, a man is selling maps.
Perfect. Let's buy one.
Here's some cash. Excuse me, can we buy a map?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Now we can find the hotel.
Let's sit and check the map.
Okay, the hotel is only 2 blocks away.
Really? That's so close.
Finally, problem solved. Lisa, did you bring cash?
Oh no, I think I forgot.
We need to pay for these groceries.
Do they take cards?
Let's ask. Hello, cash or card?
Sorry, our machine is broken. Cash only today.
That's bad. We don't have cash.
Is there an ATM nearby?
Yes, across the street.
Okay, I'll wait here with the groceries.
Okay, I'll go get money. Please hurry.
No problem. I'll keep your things here.
Thank you.
I'll be back soon.
Don't forget extra cash this time.
How won't? Lesson learned.
Mark, it's raining.
Oh no, I forgot the umbrella.
Again? You always forget.
I thought the weather would be sunny.
Look at the sky. It's dark.
What should we do now? We'll get wet walking home.
Maybe we can run.
Run? I'm wearing new shoes.
Oh, sorry. Maybe find a shop.
Good idea. Let's wait inside.
Or maybe buy a new umbrella.
Yes, that's better. Do you see any store nearby?
Yes, across the street.
But we'll get wet crossing.
True. Let's wait for the rain to slow down.
Okay. Next time I'll remember.
You always say that.
This time I mean it.
Mark, I have a headache.
Oh no, since when?
Since this morning.
Let's stop at the pharmacy.
Good idea. I need some tablets.
Do you want me to go with you?
Yes, please.
What kind of medicine do you need?
Something for pain and fever.
Should we ask the pharmacist?
Yes, that's safer.
Do you need vitamin C too?
Maybe. It helps with energy.
Anything else?
Maybe lozenges. My throat hurts.
Okay, I'll grab some.
Thanks, Mark.
You're welcome.
I just want to rest after this and drink lots of water.
Dr. Mark knows everything.
Thank you, doctor. Mark, do you know what day it is?
Monday?
No, it's my birthday.
Oh no, I forgot.
You forgot again?
I'm so sorry, Lisa.
I even gave you hints yesterday.
I thought it was next week.
Unbelievable.
Wait, I'll make it up to you.
How?
Dinner at your favorite restaurant tonight and cake?
Of course, big chocolate cake and a gift.
You better.
Can you forgive me?
Only if the dinner is really nice.
Deal. But don't forget next year.
Never again, I promise.
Good. Now say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lisa.
The weather is perfect today.
Yes, sunny and not too hot.
Let's walk by the lake.
Good idea.
Look, ducks!
They're so cute.
Want to feed them?
Sure.
I have some bread.
Careful, they might chase you.
Then I'll run faster. Let's sit on that bench for a bit.
Okay, I like this view.
Do you come here often?
Only on weekends.
We should come more.
Yes, it's peaceful here.
A nice break from work.
Do you want ice cream later?
Always. I'll take vanilla.
And I'll get chocolate.
Perfect match.